Hey guys, Jack here from Works Racing. Today we're going to be doing a little review on the Renegade Industrial toolbox that we picked up from Trade Tools. This toolbox is perfect for home, garage or workshop use. Manufacturing jet ski parts, we do a lot of part testing and installs here. With this toolbox we can install up to 90% of our products. With 306 pieces, it comes with spanners, sockets, pliers, hex bits, screwdrivers, multi-grips, hex and torque keys and a whole lot more. So with the custom 3-layer foam, there is a spot for everything and you'll never misplace your 10mm. Means you'll never misplace your 10mm again, and it also gives it a sleek look with the carbon fiber finish. With the extra compartment down the bottom, it gives you enough room for your tape measures, your Stanley knives and your ham sandwiches. So this toolbox also features gas struts for soft opening and closing, and a key to keep things shut if it's on the back of the tray. Plus the stylish black design means that it looks good in any workshop or home garage space. Also guys, another cool thing about the toolbox is that every tool in it actually has a lifetime warranty to give you that extra peace of mind. All in all guys, great quality product, awesome toolbox, and here at Works Racing we 100% recommend this.